Morning to all of you. So yesterday there was a numerical to find out equivalent capacitance. So we add more point to that numerical. It is from NCERT and involvement. So I repeat the diagram. So this is the diagram for this. So yesterday we have seen the value, again today also will repeat. So four capacitors are here. C1 100 microfarad, C2 200, C3 also 200, and C4 equal to 100 microfarad. What is the equivalent capacitance between A and B? How many of you completed this one? So you have to find equivalent capacitance between A and B. In addition to that, the potential difference between A and B is given as 300 volts. So you have to find charge and potential difference across all the capacitors C1, C2, C3, and C4. Not only equivalent capacitance. Here we have to find charge on all capacitors and PD across them. So first, yesterday we are seeing some of the part how to find out equivalent capacitance. That you will see. First part is to find equivalent capacitance between A and B. For this, so this point B is a connecting wire. Instead of keeping the wire here also there will be no difficulty. So we can pull this wire B. So you can take the wire from here and you can keep here. There is no problem. So I am doing this arrangement like this. That is point A, and wire will be coming here as a C4 equal to 100 microfarad, and the point B. And between the point A and B, potential difference is given as 300 volt. Yes. So the diagram will be more simple way. Okay, the diagram will be more simple pattern you can do. So except A to B points, when you reach the point, you can take a point B here. So between A and B, there are two ways. One way is here, another way is here. So here 200, 200 are in series. So that you can write. First point is between A and B on the first way, that is in J. C2, C3, they are in series. So 1 upon C that I am marking 1 upon 200 plus 1 upon 200 equal to 1 upon 100. See that equal to 100 microfarad. So this consequent diagram should be there. So these two next diagram will be drawn here. This is C4. Point B. I am marking C that equivalent capacitance of 200 and 200. They are connected in series. Okay. So we are getting the point. And just about this another point is going there, that is equal to C1. C1 is of 100 and C that is of 400. Now you can see between A and B. A and B. 100 and 100 are connected in parallel. 100 and 100 are connected in parallel. So, second point. Now between A and B, C dash and C1 are in parallel. So I am writing C double dash 100 plus 100 equal to 200. So just below we are making the one more diagram, then only we can find out the charge. This point will continue like this. We reach the guy. So here C4 there, C4 is of 100 microfarad. Again drawing one more time diagram, C4 100 microfarad. And this will be equal to again C double dash. One connected branch that is 200 microfarad. This is connected between the points A. Completed. Between this 300 voltage potential is already 20. Now, what is the equivalent capacitance between A and B? Last point. Between A and B, C4 and C double dash are in series. 1 upon CAB equal to 1 upon 100 plus 1 upon 200. That is 3 divided by 200. So CAB equal to 200 by 3 microfarad. Okay? Can you see the board? Last line. So what is the equivalent capacitance? What is the equivalent capacitance? Current.
200 by 3 picofarad.
Okay. So up to some point last class we have seen. So this is clear to all of you, very important one. So equivalent capacitance is completed and all the three diagrams, subsequent diagrams are drawn one below the other. Why? Because the 300 voltage is going to between A and B, that is additional part. If A and B, the potential 300 voltage, what is the PD across each capacitor and charge on each capacitor, that is additional part here. So equivalent capacitance part I am going to remove. Now we find out what is the charge on each capacitor. So for that, we have to start from the last diagram. Say start karna padega. Then only you can calculate this point. So equivalent capacitance part is completed. Very important to learn numerical, then practice other. One more numerical is there, then say to practice that one. Okay. So next one. Look at the last diagram. This is figure 1, this is figure 2, and this is figure 3. What you can say about the C4 and C double dash? Are they connected in series? They are connected in series. So charge on C4 and C double dash will remain same. This connection may charge remains same. So what is the next category? Is you have to find out charge. Find Q on each capacitor. So we are starting from figure 3. Last diagram. Last diagram. C4 and C double dash in series. So charge remains same. Charge remains same. So let Q4 be the charge. Let Q4 be the charge. C4 and let Q4 be the charge. Okay. Charge on this and charge on this will remain same. I mark it as Q4 and Q4. Just recognize same model charge. So what is the PD across C4 plus PD across C double dash will give you 300 volts. That you want to tell me. So PD across C4 means PD across C4 plus PD across C double dash is equal to 300. So what is PD across C4? How will you find out PD across C4? Mohammed?
So V is equal to Q by C.
Q?
Q by C.
This is a fourth capacitor Q4 divided by C4. Charge on Q4 divided by C4. What is the PD across C double dash? Par Sharma? Can you see the diagram? Charge on that is Q4. Q4 divided by what is the capacitance there? C double dash. This is equal to 300 volt. And Q4 normal component. So 1 upon C4 plus 1 upon C double dash equal to 300. 1 upon C4 plus 1 upon C double dash. Just now we calculated they are connected in series. So what is that value? 1 upon C4 plus 1 upon C double dash. Calculate and tell me fast. C4 value 100 and C double dash is 200. 1 upon 100, 1 upon 200 equal to 300. So this is equal to what is the earlier getting? 3 divided by 200 equal to 300. So Q4 is equal to 300 into 200 by इसमें picofarad क्या आएगी? Pico, that is 10 to the minus 12 here right here. How many coulomb? So simplify and tell me what is the value of the charge here. P3 cancel from here. You have 2, 4 zeros is there. So 2 into Q4 is 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb of charge. 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb of charge. So charge on this is 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb and this is 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 coulomb. Okay. So that is the first part. Charge on Q4 is completed. So if charge is known to you, what is the PD across C4? What is the charge on C4 is 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. Now what will be the PD across C4? That is the next point. And this may be same charge, but this is not a single capacitor. So we will find out further. Next point, what is the PD across C4? So 2 into 10 to the power minus 8. Charge on 4 capacitors 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. So what will be the PD across that? P equal to CV equation. P potential across 4 capacitor. What is the PD across the switch? Across C4 will be equal to Q4 divided by C4 value. Q4 is 2 into 10 to the power minus 8. C value is 100 by 4 10 to the power minus 12. What will be this value? Q4 the value. Can you say this? Can you calculate it? Tell me. 200 volts. What is the voltage across this? 200 volt. So from here to here it is 200 volt and total voltage is 300. So what is the voltage across C double dash? So from here to here it is 100 volts. So the remaining voltage will be equal to 300 minus 200, that is equal to 100 volts. So this is the potential difference across this. Varun, can you see this?
Yes, sir.
So total voltage between A and B 300. So just now we calculated PD across C4 200 आ गया, बाकी voltage 100. अब एक ऊपर जाएंगे. So when you do this is C double dash is the equivalent capacitance of this combination. ऊपर की तरफ चले जाओ. And C. So between P and B, what is the potential difference here? C4 में potential difference है 200 volts. So what is P and the potential difference? P and the potential difference is 100 volts. That is why the diagrams are drawn one below the other. This parallel combination पे equal capacitance. Okay, so look at C1. So what is the PD across C1 now? Tell the answer. Between point A and P, and potential is 100 volt. So what is the PD across C1?
100 volt.
100.
It's a 100 volt. So PD across C1 is 100 volt. Charge on C1 can be calculated. So that is the next point. That is why we are drawing the diagram. One to the other one, which is a 100 voltage. The 100 volt analysis the difference between A and P. Now you can recognize each and every individual capacitance. This part I am removing. Now we find out for C1. Directly ऊपर तक पहुंच गया. C1. About C1. C1 में potential across C1 is 100 volt because it is connected between A and P. What is the charge on that? Charge is equal to P1 is equal to C1 into P1. C1 100 by 4 10 to the minus 12 into P1 is 100. That is 10 to the minus 8 coulomb of charge. So about C1 completed. C4 already पहले से complete किया, नीचे से आना है. Q4 का चार्ज देख लिया और वोल्टेज देख लिया. अभी C1 को हो गया. C1 का वोल्टेज 100 है, चार्ज 10 to the minus 8 volt. अभी क्या क्या बाकी है? Which one is left now? Q1 is left. C2 and C3. C2 and C3. So A and B, C2 and C3 left. C2 and C3 are connected in series. So ये दोनों में same charge होगा. Let it be Q2. इसमें charge Q2 है तो इसमें भी charge लेंगे Q2 because they are connected in series. So इन दोनों के बीच का potential difference is given as 100 volt. So Q2 be the charge on C2 and C3. The next point I am writing. Q2, Q3 series में है between the points P and A. तो दोनों में same charge रहेंगी. So next point about C2 and C3. The very important typical question about C2 and C3. So C2 and C3 series में है charge same रहेंगे. Then Q2 be the charge on that. So we can write potential across C2 and potential across C3. That is when you add them, you get 100 volts. So PD across C2 plus PD across C3 is equal to 100 volt. That is already calculated. That is not it. PD is calculated by the equation. So V is Q2 divided by C2 plus Q2 divided by C3. That is equal to 100. Q2 and C3 are same value. Q2 is get taken outside 1 up by C2 plus 1 by C3. Both are all same. That is 1 upon 200 plus 1 upon 200 and 5 has. So Q2 is equal to this is 1 upon Q2, 1 upon 100. Equal to 100. इसमें 5 है, 5 हो जाएगा. तो Q2 is equal to 100 है into 100 5 को 10 और minus 1 forming equal. So 2 zeros है, so charge on this also will be equal to 10 or minus 8 coulomb. So C2 and C3 में भी same charge रहेंगे. Charge on C2 and C3 remains same. That is 10 to the power of minus 8 coulomb. Okay. Whatever the charges are same, values of capacitance are same. So what is the PD across C2 and C3? दोनों का बीच में potential difference 100 volt. Now PD across. Next point I write last point. PD across C2 and C3. Then equally divided. Charge the same as capacitance same as. So PD across C2 equal to 50 volt and PD across C3 that is equal to 50 volt. Total is equal to 100 volt. So यहाँ पे 4 capacitor दे रखा है. You have to find out so many things. Equivalent capacitance calculate किया and charge on each capacitor calculate किया और सबसे नीचे से लेके आएंगे. Then we develop up to the top. So diagrams in such cases, diagram you have to go one below the other. Then only you will be developing from the last point. Charge calculate करने के लिए and potential. You have to practice this. And similar kind of numerical you can see in NCERT, that also you have to practice. Okay. So the next point is, so this is the way how to find out potential and charge on capacitor. Next is very important one. Suppose you are given 2 capacitors. They are charged to different potentials. Just like a mobile phones, you are charging 2 mobile phones to charge. One is 60% charge, another is 100% charge. Similarly, 2 capacitors given charge the potential given. Another capacitor C2 charge the potential V2. 2 capacitors are given to you. They are charged to a potentials V1 and V2. So both are having their own energy, half C1 V1 square, and second one is having energy half C2 V2 square, and the amount of charge also. We can see what is the total charge. What is the total charge on the first and second? Total charge क्या है? में charge लेंगे V1 इसमें charge लेंगे V2. What is total charge? Anyone? Total charge is equal to first one में charge C1 V1, second one charge C2 V2. Equation number 1. This is the total charge. What we are going to do, they are charged to different potential. After that, we are going to connect them with the connecting wire. So how will you connect? Figure 1, separate the charge linkage. Figure 2, these capacitors are having different potential. After that, they are connected by means of a wire. As soon as you connect by means of wire, they have their own energy, so you can see some spark in the connecting wire at the joint. So some energy is wasted in the form of light and other electromagnetic radiation, but they share the charge. As soon as you connect them, the charge flow from higher potential capacitor to lower potential capacitor. This process will take. When you are connecting, charge flows from higher potential to lower potential, till their potential become equal. So what we are saying? Two capacitors are there, they are charged to different potentials, V1 and V2, and after that they are connected by means of wire. The charge flows from higher potential to lower potential till their potential becomes same. So agar V1 greater than V2 है, V1 से charge will flow to second one till their potential remains same. So C1 and C2 now check one of the potential will remain same. So they are sharing the charges. So here we are discussing the sharing of charge. Okay, sharing of charge during this procedure, energy is wasted in the form of light, heat, and other electromagnetic radiation, but no charge is lost during the process. Charge is conserved. The charge में कोई problem नहीं. Total charge I am writing here before sharing. Before sharing, total charge is this. Now, what is the total charge after sharing? After sharing. Is equal to first one charge is C1V and second one is C2V, where we qualify as a common potential. Common potential. What is the topic? Is common potential. We are discussing the term common. When they are sharing the charges, charge flows from higher to higher potential, lower potential till they are taking the same potential. So charge before sharing, after sharing, we are seeing that, and both are equal. There is no charge during charge remain constant during this process. Of course, there will be change in energy wastage. But charge is conserved, no charge is lost during the sharing of the process. So total charge before sharing equal to total charge after sharing. You can equate that C1 V1 plus C2 equal to C1 V plus C2 V. One point of duality. So what is the common potential again? By the system they are connected by P equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 divided by C1 plus C2. This is equation number 3, and that you have learned is the equation for common potential. So when charge are shared between two capacitors, what is the common potential? Charge flows from higher potential to lower potential till they attain a constant same voltage potential. What are the write this equation 5 times in the copy? P equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V divided by C1 plus V2. During this process, I repeat, there is no charge loss, but there will be energy loss in this. Okay, equation of 1 write 5 times in the copy. Parent, tell me what is the equation for common potential?
V equals to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 upon C1 plus C2.
Very important one. There are so they are sharing the charge. Okay. So there is no change in the charge. Charge is not lost anywhere. There is no wastage of charge, but there is a energy loss. How to calculate energy loss? You can calculate energy loss. Total energy before sharing, figure 1, separated. half C1 V1 square, half C2 V2 square. So initial energy is that Q1 before sharing is half C1 V1 square plus half C2. Question number 1. After sharing, what is the energy? Anyone? And after sharing the charge, figure 2. Energy is half C1 V square plus half C2 V square. Maximum. So can be taken, G can be taken outside. Half C1 plus C2 square. P the value just now we are written also. After sharing half C1 plus C2 into C1 V1 plus C2 V2 divided by C1 plus C2 whole square. Make C1 plus C2 C1 plus C2 will cancel over. So U2 is equal to half C1 plus C1 plus C2 खत्म हो गया C1 V1 plus C2 V2 का whole square divided by नीचे C1 plus C2 लेंगे बाकी square is only for अगर टाइम में C1 plus C2 cancel हो गया. And there is a wastage of energy. So final energy is less than initial energy. We have to prove that. So it is your duty now. You have to calculate U1 minus U2 and calculate U1 minus U2. This value minus this value. You have to subtract and simplify and tell me the final value within 2 minutes. U1 minus U2. Equation number 1 minus 2. I will be giving one in the final answer. Okay, subtract and simplify, calculate. Tell me the final answer. And we have to show that it is a U1 minus U2 is a positive entity. इसका मतलब है U1 is greater than U2, U2 का value कम है. Zero तो नहीं मिलेगा नहीं. Because energy इसमें conserved नहीं है, कुछ energy is wasted in the form. U1 minus U2 का equation you have to tell me fast. थोड़ा भी calculate and tell. Yes, can anyone? What is the equation? Can anyone give?
C1 into V1 minus V2 whole square upon 2 into C1 plus C2.
एक बार और.
C1 C2 into V1 minus V2 whole square upon 2.
C1 C2 V1 minus V2 whole square divided by
2 into C1 plus C2.
into C1 plus. Yes. This is the equation of the difference. C1 C2 divided into V1 minus V2 whole square divided by 2 C1 plus C2 is the answer for this. So C1 C2 positive है यहाँ पे positive है V1 minus V2 अगर 10 है तो minus भी हो सकता है. अगर V1 कम है V2 से so V1 minus V2 नेगेटिव में आ सकता है. But V1 minus V2 का whole square है तो सारा टर्म will be positive. कोई तो ये हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहेंगे. U1 minus U2 is positive. That U2 is less than U1. Some energy is bit lost. Some energy loss there. Energy loss and light. That is they are coming under electromagnetic radiation. So energy is wasted when you connect these two capacitors with the help of wire. Of course, some sparking is produced. Sparking का मतलब है heat energy है, light energy है. So these are in the form of electromagnetic radiation, and you can see a numerical there. The NCERT solved them. Okay. So this is very important. During sharing charges, what will be the new charge or new potential, but the energy loss. Okay. Other points will continue in the next class. That numerical you have to do in the topic. Okay. Thank you.